already primed my eyes, and now I'm just going into the Switch Beauty matte palette. The first color that I'm going to apply is the shade right here with a clean blending brush. I'm going to apply that directly into the crease and above the crease. So I really want to focus this color just above the crease because this is the transition color. So I've already done my foundation and my eyebrows off camera. I've also added a little bit of highlight, nothing too dramatic, just to have a clean matte looking face, nothing too highlighted, and I've just bronzed up my face as well. Okay, I'm going to apply the same color to the bottom lash line. Next, I'm going into this darker shade. This is a more darker orange, so I'm going to apply that into the crease. I'm also going to try and focus it on the outer corner as well and kind of smoke it out. With a more tapered brush, I'm going to use a darker shade of that orange, and I'm going to pick up this orange right there, and I'm going to apply that into the socket of the eyelid. So I'm applying this shade directly into the crease, so it's going to just hit just under that bone. So now I'm going to cut the crease with this very light concealer, the lightest shade here. This is the Highlight and Contour Circle. This is by Creolin, and you guys know it's my favorite. So I'm going to use a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to neatly cut the crease. And so today I'm doing a half cut crease. So I'm just going to tap some face powder on my eyelid. I'm using the Fit Me. This is just to set the eyelid for the colors that's going to go on top. Okay, the next palette I'm going to be using is the babygirl Nudes palette. And for this look, I wanted to use a white inner corner. So I'm going to pick up this color right there. It is a basic white matte shade. Okay, so I'm going to pick up this color and I'm going to pack it with a eyeshadow brush. Next, I'm going into this Eyes on the 80s palette. This is the color palette by BH Cosmetics. And then I'm going in with this bright yellow shade, and I'm going to apply that on the eyelid. So I'm going to apply this color right after the halfway mark. And I'm using a very thin, tiny type of brush. I have more control over the eyeshadow using this type of brush, especially when blending just a little at a time. just applying and packing and then blending that center part out. So once that's blended out, I'm going into the color next to it, which is a very bright orange. I'm going into this color right there, and I'm also going to blend that into the outer socket. Lastly, I'm just using the product that I had put on before onto this blending brush, and I'm just going to blend out this corner. Okay, so that is basically how the eye looks. I'm just going to do my other eye and I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay you guys, so I have done both eyes. Next, I'm going in with some mascara, and I'm using the Essence Rock and Roll mascara. This is the XXL volume mascara. Next, I'm going to add some black eyeliner. This is the Smudge Retractable Black Eyeliner. Next, I'm adding the Kiss Beauty lashes. This is called Looks So Natural. Okay, so I just applied my lashes. I'm just going to also apply some bottom mascara. Well, I'm going to apply some mascara to my bottom lashes. Going back into my LA Girls Nudes palette, I'm going to pick up this gold shade. I think it's such a beautiful, pretty shade for the inner corner highlight and for my brow bone. So this is the color I'm going to use. So I'm going to use this Essence matte color. It's a very pretty shade. It's a pink shade. So I'm going to apply this all over my lips. What I normally like doing is going into a matte shadow and tapping that color onto my lipstick. So the color I'm going to use is this shade right there, and I'm just going to lightly tap it over this lipstick to change the color a little bit. To bronze up my face, I'm going into my Essentials face palette, and I'm going to pick up this shade right here. It's a very bronze shade. I'm going to use this as a bronzer to the corners of my cheekbones. And to top that off, I'm going to use this light highlighter shade, and I'm going to highlight the top of my cheekbones. Okay, lastly, to set my makeup in place, I'm going to use the Vitamin C from the Body Shop. This is a face mist. So today this video is in dedication to the sweet angel that has lost her life this past week, Sadia Justice. So today we all South Africans wear orange to pay our respects and to stand together with the rest of South Africa as we stand up for Sadia. This has taken a toll on the family. I think the whole of South Africa. It shook the core in each and every one of us, knowing that a child can be taken away so easily just because of crime and because of the greed of man. and of the sin. I hope every one of you don't stop praying. Don't stop praying for our country. Don't stop praying for a turnaround in our nation, even in the nations of the world. I know crime is around the world. I hope that each and every one of us use our platforms to create an environment that is peaceful and that is God-fearing. Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!